Hello students, today we discuss the part of highway engineering is geometric design of highway. In geometric it is a part very important part of the highway engineering which has include 20% of syllabus of highway. So we discuss the geometric design of highway. Let us start the geometric design of highway. First, geometric design of highway. It deals with the dimension and layout of visible features of highway such as alignment, side distance and intersection of the highway. The geometric design of a highway which deals with the dimension and layout of visible features of highway such as alignment, side distance and intersection. The elements which include or design the geometric design of a highway. First one is alignment. What is alignment? The position or the layout of the center line of a highway on the ground is called alignment. Before we started designing of a highway, on ground we lay out on ground a center line or mark a center line of the ground is called alignment. Then cross-sectional element. Cross-sectional element, first one which includes all the parts of highway, all the part of a highway. First one camber. We discuss camber in next day. Then soldier. Then carriageway, curve, which are the different part of road. Also formation width, land width, right of way, that is also part of the cross-sectional element. Then side distance, the minimum distance which can driver saw on the road, that is called side distance. The minimum distance above the ground a driver can saw, that is called side distance. For example, if a driver drive a vehicle, he saw minimum distance 200 meter or 300 meter, that is called, that 200 meter or 300 meter is called side distance. Then horizontal alignment. The horizontal alignment means change in path from straight line to curved line. If a alignment means the position of or layout of a center line of a highway. If the center line is straight, when it changes to curve, that called change in horizontal alignment. That called change. You can saw the diagram. A path is straight, then it is goes to curve. That called horizontal alignment. Then next to vertical alignment. The vertical alignment which is change in gradient or slope. What is change in gradient or slope? Means a path, horizontal path which is raised or downward, that is called change in gradient or slope. If the path is raised upwards or downwards, raised or down, that called horizon change in gradient or slope. Then sixth is intersection element. The sixth element is intersection. Intersection at two types, at grade, then grade separated intersection. At grade, level of intersect same level. Level of intersect is same level. Means at grade means intersect means two roads are crossing each other. If two roads, that is where we saw the roads are cross each other in square, in chowk or bazaar, there or street, there are two roads cross each other. that means the two roads are crossing each other at same level. If two roads are different level, but wherein they are crossing each other, the level is same. Two roads levels are same. Then grade separated intersection. If the two roads are grade separated at intersection, means if a road in we can discuss in flyover. If a under flyover there is a under road. If a person want to catch the under road, if he will come to the flyover, down to the flyover, and find the flyover road. So if you find the road, then you can saw the picture. If a flyover, then it comes to the under road, that is intersect to the road, that is called also, we have studied in traffic engine, that is called merging. Okay, two roads are merged each other, that is called merging. Okay, so that called grade separated intersection. Then we discuss the factors which are affected to the geometric design of highway. We discuss the geometric design is the important part of the highway. So what are the factors which is affected to the geometric design of highway? The first one, design speed. First one is design speed. Design speed. What is design speed? Design speed with the speed. Design speed, the speed we construct a road at a speed, minimum speed, limit of speed. If when we goes on road, there is a we see on the bank of the road or side of the road, the speed limit is 40 km per hour, the speed limit is 60 km per hour. That is called design speed. The capacity of the speed of the vehicle up to 60 km per hour. You can drive up to 100 km per hour. That is design speed. The design speed which is directly proportional to, or which is include on pavement characteristics, where the bitumen surface of the road, top surface of the road, that is pavement characteristics of road. Then super elevation we discuss the later, or this chapter we discuss 2 or 3 days later. Then super elevation or side distance, we discuss side distance, the minimum distance above the ground driver can saw or see, that is side distance. Then topography shows slope of the terrain. Terrain means region. Slope means upward or downward. That is 3 types of terrain, that plain, rolling and mountain. Plain region, terrain or plain region, rolling region and mountainous region. In plain region we provide slope 10%. In plain region we provide 10%, which is design speed up to 100 km per hour. The design vehicle speed up to 100 km per hour. In rolling region, the design speed up to 80 km per hour. In mountainous region, it is 25 to 60%. It is design speed up to 50 km per hour. Then important factor is traffic factor. Traffic factor means if we design a road on a street or village, we design a road length of road or cross section of a road with vehicular characteristics or human characteristics. In vehicular characteristics, in traffic factor vehicular characteristics, we design vehicle weight, dimension, height and speed. In human characteristics, we design a driver characteristics, means driver emotion, driver intelligent power, driver's anger. In pedestrians mean expect driver there will be walking on road. The person who walking on footpath or road, that called pedestrian. In design our volume, flow of traffic with time. We design a hourly volume is flow of traffic flow with time. There is a graph, time versus traffic flow. The maximum traffic flow at peak hour. For economic design, for economic design, the traffic for is hourly design. For economic design, we design hourly. We design hourly. Then is environmental factor. The environmental factor is rainfall of the location, then temperature of the location. That is affect also geometric design of highway. Today is class finished. Thank you.